Question is, if you have a page of content that you are going to add media to, right? Whether it's a video or an image, where do you place text? And so for me, if I'm going to add a video to a page, I like to put the video like right at the top. So I'll probably open it with, there's like the H tag, which is called the header, right? And so that's the actual title of this particular page. Then I like to put a short little, maybe like a 1 to 2 sentence paragraph, I guess, if you will, right above the video. And then you place the video, and then underneath it, you put more text. And so from there, this way, when people come to the page, they don't have to scroll to find that video. Video is something that creates people to want to stay on the page a little bit longer. And that's a signal, it's a user signal to Google. So when somebody does a Google search and they go from Google to your website, Google is counting the time that they spend on your website before they go back to Google. And so if you can put the video on the page a lot higher, they'll spend more time on the page, maybe 2 minutes, right? And that's a user signal that says that, hey, this page satisfies the intent. Because if they go back within 6 seconds because they didn't see the video, then you probably will lose some of your rankings because people are not spending as much time on your page. So I would say that's important. Make sure you have a short little 1 to 2 second snippet of text above the video, place the video, then have more content below the video, and make sure that you try to create a human connection and that the video is actually relevant to that page. Don't just put a random video there. Make sure that it's relevant to the page.